I feel like I'm right back at home with the crowd that the people I know, the people I'm around, the people I see. It's pretty much just like the city, The diversity I see in New York City is the same diversity I get from Buffalo State College. Everywhere you turn, you can find a different person that has a different attribute to bring towards your involvement or your progress in college. Yes, get your education, but also create those relationships that will last beyond college.
Buffalo State actually is for my major for forensic chemistry, the lab is incredible. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of technology and the professors are really nice, easy to talk to, office hours, they're always available. And as far as class sizes, they're really small. So you really get your one-on-one time with them, which I enjoy. I live in Queens and I decided to come from Buffalo State because I wanted to get away from the city, a new experience. And coming here to Buffalo, I thought it's a historical town, and it's not that there's so many things around the area to do besides of course there's always events happening on campus, but then there's Niagara Falls, the museums nearby, the parks, and it's so many it's a new experience. So as far as being a forensic chemistry major, I like the fact that we have an internship, so we get the hands-on experience while we're students here. They make it very fun and interactive. Some of the forensic chemistry courses I took at other colleges, they have never been as hands-on and really in-depth as Buff State. So I really appreciate that here.